Hi friends! Did you know that many government systems still rely on outdated technology? These legacy systems limit functionality and efficiency, creating barriers to effective service delivery. It's time for a change. Siloed systems refer to isolated pockets of data within an organization, often confined to specific departments or teams. These silos hinder seamless data sharing and collaboration, leading to fragmented information landscapes. For instance, when departments use disparate systems that don't communicate effectively, it becomes challenging to obtain a unified view of organizational data. This fragmentation can impede decision-making and slow down response times to market changes. The lack of integrated systems often results in duplicated efforts, inconsistent data, and manual processes that consume valuable time and resources. Employees may spend excessive time reconciling data from different sources, leading to decreased productivity. Moreover, maintaining multiple systems can escalate IT costs and complicate system maintenance. When data is siloed, organizations struggle to leverage comprehensive insights that drive innovation. The inability to access and analyze holistic data sets can prevent businesses from identifying emerging trends, understanding customer behaviors, and developing innovative solutions. This limitation can place organizations at a competitive disadvantage in rapidly evolving markets. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries by simulating human intelligence. Technologies like machine learning and natural language processing are at the forefront, enabling machines to learn and adapt. Imagine the transformative potential of integrating artificial intelligence into government systems, not just as a technological upgrade, but as a strategic shift in how public services are delivered. AI can help streamline internal operations, reduce paperwork, and automate time-consuming administrative tasks, freeing up government employees to focus on higher-value work. More importantly, it enables real-time data analysis, predictive modeling, and advanced decision-making tools to identify trends, allocate resources more effectively, and respond to community needs with unprecedented speed and accuracy. From reducing wait times in public service centers to detecting fraud in benefit programs and improving emergency response coordination, AI has the power to drastically enhance how government interacts with its citizens. It brings the promise of smarter cities, safer communities, and more equitable access to services. But realizing this vision requires thoughtful integration, balancing innovation with privacy, ethics, and transparency. When done right, AI isn't just a tool for efficiency. It's a catalyst for a more responsive, inclusive, and future-ready government. AI can enhance citizen services through chatbots, providing instant responses and improving engagement. Predictive analytics can optimize resource management, while automation streamlines workflows, reducing errors. Successful case studies show AI integration improving service delivery and operational efficiency. These examples highlight the potential for AI to transform government systems, making them more responsive and effective. Ethical and legal considerations are crucial for building trust in AI systems. Prioritizing data privacy and security ensures sensitive information is protected, fostering confidence among users. Trust is the cornerstone of successful AI adoption, especially in government and public services. To earn that trust, we must commit to the highest standards of ethics and legal compliance. That means putting data privacy and security at the forefront of every AI initiative. When people know their personal information is protected, they're far more likely to engage with and support AI-driven services. By building systems that are transparent, secure, and accountable, we don't just comply with regulations. We build public confidence and unlock the full potential of AI for the greater good. Engaging stakeholders and providing training can overcome resistance to AI adoption. By embracing these opportunities, we can pave the way for a more efficient and innovative government. Successfully adopting AI in government isn't just about technology, it's about people. Engaging stakeholders early and providing clear, hands-on training are key steps to overcoming resistance and building trust in AI-powered systems. When agencies invest in education and collaboration, they create champions for innovation who can help lead the transformation from within. Now is the time to embrace these opportunities. By taking a proactive approach, we can unlock a more efficient, responsive, and forward-thinking government, one that's equipped to meet the evolving needs of our communities. Want to dive deeper into how AI is transforming government services and how your organization can lead the change? Enroll in our free course at Government Contract Services. Just click the link in the description to get started.